1-minute overview of the manufacturing process of Yuhong cables. This is the filament winding process. This is the process of combining copper wires of different diameters and different numbers together simultaneously. Carry out twisting and combining. Make the copper wire have good flexibility and integrity. Enable the cables to have better performance. This is the twisting process. The twisted pair of the network cable is achieved by setting a pitch for the colors of each pair of 8 cores. Then the unwinding process is performed here. The twisting process continues here by distinguishing the pitch of each pair of twists. This is the insulation production line for network cables. We use the best copper rods available in China. By drawing the copper rod into the wire drawing machine, the drawing force is reduced from 2.6 to 0.5. A total of 19 molds are required. This is the final step, annealing. Then preheating treatment is performed. Continue with insulation wrapping. Continuously conduct pressure resistance tests. This is the process of making network cables. This involves twisting 4 pairs of network cables together to form a stable structure. This ensures that its performance meets the process requirements. This is category 6 cable, and a skeleton will be added inside. I'll await each line from the others. Ensure performance is maximized. This is our weaving process. This metal material used tin-plated copper. The purpose of tin-plate copper is to resist oxidation and improve solderability. Wrap a layer of woven mesh around the semi-finished product to prevent interference. This is typical signal line. Control lines also use this braided layer. This is sheathing process. The outer sheath protects the insulation of wires and cables, ensuring its stability and preventing corrosion. Enhance the mechanical properties of the cable to prevent electrical wires from catching fire. Yuhong insists on using high-quality raw materials. Adopt tin-plated copper wire, bare copper wire, single copper, copper rod, aluminum foil, plastic. Raw materials include high-density plastics and cross-shaped frames. While ensuring product quality, improve the reliability and stability of network transmission. Reduce network failures and maintenance costs. We believe that high-quality network infrastructure and communication deployment can better connect the world. Our technological capabilities are sufficient to meet the growing demands of the Internet and increasingly complex network architectures. Please follow Yuhong Technology.